While you sit here, thousands are dying because of unsanitary. Repeat this word. Unsanitary means unclean hospitals. Every day at the Scutari hospital was a fight for Florence. A lot of the male doctors hated the way she ordered them around, but none of them dared silence her. Florence kept screaming all over because she knew that people were dying due to the bad condition of the hospital. Every day in the hospital was just like a fight for her. The male doctors there did not like her because she used to run orders on them. But no one had the courage to silence her. But Florescence's reports were taken seriously by the government. They sent a team to inspect the conditions at the Scutari hospital. The team discovered that the hospital was built on a sewer. Repeat this word. Sewer means gutter, and that the patients were all drinking contaminated. Repeat this word. Contaminated means infected water. Now the government over there took Florescence's report seriously, and soon they sent a team to check the hospital conditions. Then the team came to know about that the hospital is built on the top of a sewer, and the patients were getting infected water to drink, due to which they are getting sick. Florescence had tackled an important problem that more soldiers, repeat this word, soldiers mean an army person, died due to disease than on the battlefield. Repeat this word, battlefield means ground on which battle was fought, because of how unclean the hospitals were. Now, Florescence had finally solved the important problem, and that was soldiers were not dying because of the attack. They were dying because of the health and unclean environment of the hospital. She fought for the cause of better sanitation. Repeat this word. Sanitation means hygienic, means the equipment and system that keep a place clean. In hospitals, both at home and abroad, almost at once the death rate began to fall. Now, the Florescence fought hard for the good condition of the hospital, both at her home and are outside and in the abroad also, and soon the number of death rate starts falling. When Florescence returned from the Crimean War, she was given a hero's welcome. When Florescence returned from the Crimean War, people welcomed her like a hero. People wrote poems about her and letters to her. Hundreds gathered to see her, but Florence did not pay attention to the crowd. People wrote poems on her and also write many letters to her. Hundreds of people gathered to see her, but she did not pay attention to the crowd. One person she did pay attention to was Queen Victoria. Now, Florence had noticed only one person, and that was the Queen Victoria. In 1856, the two met and talked about improving the state of England's healthcare system. So these two persons in 1856, they met each other and they discussed how to make England's healthcare system better. You only have to look at this, the numbers are true. She told the people that you only see the number. Florence soon went on to show that there was a huge decrease in deaths after the hospitals were cleaned from 42.7% to a mere 2.2%. Because after the hospitals were cleaned, the number of deaths of people started decreasing, and it decreased from 42.7% to just 2.2%, and that was a huge difference. But sadly, Florence soon fell very sick. She had contracted, repeat this word, contracted means caught, a bacterial, repeat this word, bacterial means caused by bacteria, infection from the hospital at Scutari, an infection that brought her fever, sadness and extreme, repeat this word, extreme means very high pain for a long time. But something bad happened on the other side. Florence had a bacterial infection due to working at Scutari Hospital. Due to that infection, she remained in fever, sadness, and in extreme pain for a very long time. Yet Florence continued to fight for England's healthcare system. She wrote books, sent nurses to help the poorest of people, poor, and pushed for better healthcare for everyone. But still Florence continued for her fight for England's healthcare system. She wrote many books and kept sending nurses to help people for the better healthcare. Florence Nightingale died at the age of 90, and finally she died at the age of 90. Her work to improve hospitals, sanitation and healthcare revolutionized. Repeat this word, revolutionized means entirely changed something. The field of nursing and changed how patients were treated all over the world. Because of her great work and efforts, the entire field of nursing has now changed. Now the people are treated with proper care and attention and under hygienic conditions all over the world. Good night, you old bird. You are the reason I am still alive. Mr. Andrew say goodbye to that old lady or old bird. Because of her, he is still alive. Student, I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Read this chapter once again. Thank you.